Ready to blast your favorite tunes on your MacBook Air? This video will show you exactly how to get Spotify so you can enjoy uninterrupted music streaming in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, we'll download the Spotify desktop app. Open Safari or your preferred web browser and type Spotify download into the search bar and hit return. The top result should be the official Spotify website. Click on that link to go directly to the download page. You should see a big, green download button. Click on it to start downloading the Spotify installer. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded file, which is usually a DMG file, in your downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser. Double-click the DMG file to open it and begin the installation process. A new window will pop up. Simply drag the Spotify icon into the Applications folder icon. This will install Spotify on your MacBook Air. Now go to your Launchpad or Applications folder and click on the Spotify icon. Spotify will open and you can log in with your existing account or sign up for a new one. That's it for the desktop app. Now let's quickly cover the web player again. In your browser, type Spotify web player into the search bar. The first result should take you directly to the Spotify web player. Click on it. Log into your Spotify account and you can start listening to music right in your browser. Now you have Spotify both as a desktop app and in your web browser. Enjoy endless music streaming on your MacBook Air. Happy listening!